Good day, everyone. My name is Alex Solomon. I'm a web development student here at Simtech. So this is my first project, a mobile app landing page. Join me as I walk you through it. So this is the navigation section. This is the company logo, the app logo. These are the nav links on the navigation section. These are the buttons, the download buttons. So this is the hero section. So it's #1 fitness app of 2025. Run your best every day. Any pace tracks your runs, coaches your breathing, and celebrates every personal best, all without clustering your wrist or your mind. These are the download buttons. Download for iOS, download on Android. So these are the stats. The stats for the app. 4.9 star rating, 1.2 million active runners, and it's free to get started. This is the features section. Why any pace? It's built for real runners, not just gym goers. So these are the features. Live route mapping. See your path in real time. Any pace maps every step and shows elevation, pace zones, and heart rate overlays. AI coaching. Get personalized audio coaching mid-run. Your AI coach adjusts based on your heart rate and current fatigue level. Heart rate zones. Train smarter with automatic zone detection. Know when to push and when to recover every single run. Challenges and streaks. Join weekly community challenges, earn badges, and maintain streaks that actually keep you accountable. This other feature, pace match music. Spotify integration that dynamically matches your playlist BBM to your target running space. Feel the rhythm. This is the final feature, deep analytics. Weekly reports, VO2, mass trends, personal records, and training rules, all visualized in beautiful charts on the app. So this is the screen section. Every screen designed for the run. So these are the screens, the screens for the website, the app. So this is the review section. Runners love it. So this is a review from Amara Ose, marathon runner in Lagos. I've tried every running app out there. Any pace is the one that actually makes me feel coached, not just tracked. So these are other reviews from other users. So this is the download section. Ready to run better? Download any pace free today. No subscription needed to get started. Just lace up and go. So you can download with the iOS click button and the Android download button. So these are the reviews so far from the website, and this is a link to the review site to see the more of the reviews. So this website is built to be mobile friendly, so it's responsive across mobile devices and desktop devices or large screens. So I'll just inspect, so we'll have a view on the mobile version of the website. So this is the website on iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is the hero section of the mobile view. This is the hero section of the mobile view. This is the logo. These are the buttons. So it's still the same thing. Run your best every day. The picture for the hero section. This is the features section. This is the features section. Then we have the screen section for the mobile. This is the screen section for the mobile. Then this is the review section for the mobile. This is the review section and the download section for the mobile. So for the mobile, I built two themes. So this is the navigation button for the mobile, the hamburger button. So when you click it, it opens the navigation. So these are the download buttons. These are the navigations through the web page. So you can change the theme here. It's currently on the dark theme. So you can change it to the light theme if you prefer the light theme. So this is the light theme. So it gives you a different feel, a different feel. So if you prefer a light theme or a dark theme, we'll give you that flexibility. So I built this website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I'll walk you through the code. So this is the HTML code. This is for the structure of the website. So I use it for the structure. So you can see the nav section. This is the nav section. The This is the hero section. This is the hero section. This is the features section. So this is screen section, the first screen, the second screen, on the screen section. So we have the review section, the footer, and the JavaScript. So this is JavaScript. This is for the interactivity of the website. So for the nav button in the mobile view, so I use the JavaScript to do this. So on this mobile view, this nav button, this interactivity is JavaScript. So that's the JavaScript code for this interactivity, and also the themes. So to build this beautiful website, I use CSS to style it, give it the color, the position, the margin, the padding, and some effects. So this is my first landing page website here at Simtech. Thank you.